Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to report an issue in the Finch app. Finch is a popular self-care and mental wellness app that helps users build healthy habits and through daily check-ins, reflection and virtual pit. While the app is generally smooth, you may sometimes face issues like login problem, missing features, syncing errors or the app crashes. In such cases, the best solution is to report the issue directly to the Finch support from the inside app. And why reporting issue is important because it helps Finch team fix bugs faster, ensure your data and progress stay safe, lets you get personalized support for your problem, improve the app for all users. And in order to report an issue in Finch app, you need to open to your Finch app and make sure you are logged into your account. And after that, on the top left, we can see there's a 3-line menu on your Finch pet icon. This opens the main navigation menu. Over here, scroll a bit down until you find the report issue under the support. Over here, tap on the report issue here. You can either create a backup file, visit finch.status, or you can simply report a different issue. Select report a different issue as I'm going to select that. And if you want to report with backup file, you can do that as well. But if you don't prefer, and select the bottom. And that is it. Reporting an issue in Finch app is quick and easy, and it helps your self-care journey smooth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.